What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to Destination Delicious. I'm Spencer.
And I'm Christy, and we are getting treated to some awesome early spring weather today.
It's probably trickery, but we'll take it.
And Cade's loving it too. He absolutely loves to be outdoors, so we've been spending so much time outside, getting the fresh air. He's catching all the bugs.
Cade is all about catching critters, and he's had a blast running through the woods, catching whatever he can find.
Salamanders, centipedes, millipedes, all kinds of things.
But it also builds up his appetite, and so today we are going to cook a tasty meal. It's gonna look fancy, but it's gonna be easy. And I am making tequila lime chicken with an avocado sauce.
So let's go fire up the Blackstone.
This dish is actually going to go over a bed of quinoa, and I got that already started on the griddle so that we can have that ready once our chicken comes off hot. And now that that's rolling, it's time to get our chicken started. So I've got some chicken thighs here, and I am going to dust them liberally with Blackstone's Tequila Lime Seasoning. Now that we've got our chicken thighs all seasoned up, I gotta put a little oil down. It's time to get them on the griddle. While our chicken and quinoa are cooking, I'm going to prepare our avocado sauce, which naturally starts with an avocado. So we're gonna take one avocado half, and I feel like I found a good one. This one's nice and soft.
Well, that's how you want them.
We're going to use some plain Greek yogurt. Call it a
Dollop
and a half. Use, the juice of half of a lemon. Also
minus
the seeds.
Oh, the seeds? I was going to say minus the seeds.
No, I'll get those out. Then we've got a sprinkle of garlic powder and a little bit of salt. I'm just going to smash all this together. Don't be like me, folks. Use a fork.
Color looks good.
And to thin it out just a bit, we're going to use a little water. I believe it's time to flip our chicken thighs over.
Ooh, look how
yeah.
good that looks.
Look at that color.
Oh yeah.
It's going to be so tasty. We are using chicken thighs today because flavor. They just have more flavor than chicken breasts, in my opinion, and it's my recipe, so we're using thighs because flavor. And it looks like our quinoa is just about done, which is perfect. So we'll turn off the heat on that. The time has come. Our chicken thighs are looking fantastic. They are smelling fantastic. So we are going to pull them off the griddle. All right, let's get our chicken sliced up here. This tequila lime seasoning is definitely one of my favorites on chicken. It is quite tasty. It's time to plate our meal up here, so I'm going to lay down a bed of quinoa on our plate. And I cook the quinoa in chicken broth, so it is going to add its own bit of flavor to the dish. And then we're just going to lay our slices of chicken right across the top here. And then the final step is to drizzle some of our avocado sauce right over top here.
Well, you're right. It does look gourmet, and that was really quick.
Yeah, the chicken cooked quickly. And the key was to start the quinoa before we started the chicken, because the quinoa takes about 15-20 minutes, so I didn't want to start it all at the same time and overcook the chicken while waiting for the quinoa. So.
Yeah. Well, you did a good job. I'm excited to try this.
I am too.
I feel like this is another,
Datey,
kind of good date night meal.
Date night meal.
Let's see how it tastes.
It's really good.
It's delicious.
Yeah.
Oh, I like that a lot.
The tequila lime seasoning on the chicken
Is my favorite.
is money.
That avocado sauce you made is really good. Well, as always, we enjoy you watching. Thank you so much for tuning in. Be sure you subscribe so you don't miss any of the shows from any of the good, great cooks
Switching it up. Like Nate, CJ, Todd, Betty, Taylor, Matt, Bruce, and us.
Yeah, you got it!
Went slow and steady there. Make sure you check out blackstoneproducts.com as well for all things Blackstone. And until next time, guys, this is Destination Delicious, and we will see you down the road.